So hi all, good morning, good evening to everyone. As you know, we are starting again with our Python course session in New Year. I uploaded a video of that we are starting a new session of 2026 Python course. So let's begin with our course. If you haven't watched our previous video, so please watch. In that video, I've told all about our Python course, Python resources, what we will provide you, what you need to download and all. So this is the PDF I will give you if you enroll in our course. So let's begin with our first session. Let's begin with our first session of Python. Okay. So in this video we will just have the intro of Python course intro, and it will be our first lecture. In this session, we will just begin with what is Python. From the beginner level to advanced level, we will cover all the things. We will have Python hands-on explanation and practice. Okay. Topics that are being covered in this is Python basics, and that we have the topic introduction. What introduction to Python? What is Python? How it came? How it was founded? Who founded it? When it was founded and all the things. So Python is a high level interpreter based language, okay, and general purpose of programming language created by Guido van Rosen. He was the creator who created Python in 1991. He designed the Python to so that it is easy to read, and the syntax is very similar to English language, which makes it easy to read and code. Python uses indentation instead of brackets to define blocks of code, which makes the program clean, well structured, and explainable to the ones who can't understand. It is one of the easiest language that is same as English language. It resembles it as the English language. Because it is dynamically typed, programmers do not need to declare data types in advance, making it code faster and easier for the beginners. If you are a beginner, it is good that you firstly learn Python, not go with Java, C++, and all, because it will take so much time and you will not understand at the beginner level. So, if you just learn to code somewhat, so you can do by Python, you can do all the things that the other languages do. Python is a vast language of resources, okay? Python supports multiple programming styles such as procedural, object-oriented, functional programming, and it provides built-in data types like integers, floats, string, lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, which help in efficient data storage and manipulation. From this, in some of the types are mutable, some are immutable. That we will learn when we proceed further. Python also includes control statements such as if-else conditions, uh, if-else, elif, if conditions, all that. If-else, elif, nested if, all that conditions, loops, and functions are included. That will allow the programmers to create a logical and reusable codes. One of the biggest strengths of Python is it's a large collection of libraries and frameworks. These libraries make Python useful in many fields. It can do web development like Django, artificial intelligence, ML, LLM, Machine learning, it can also do data science, automation, gaming. For gaming, we have Torch, all that. And desktop applications, we have these tkinters and all. For web development, we have Django, Flask, and in data analytics, we have NumPy and Pandas. Python is an open source and cross-platform language. Means it is free to use and can run on different operating systems too, such as Windows, Linux, Mac OS. It can run on any of the operating system. Okay, so it is cross-platform and open source. Means we don't need to pay for it to use it. Although Python is slightly slower compared to all the languages, but its simplicity, versatility, and strong community support make it one of the most popular and widely used programming language in the world today. Okay, so as you see that Python is open source and all the languages are simply available. Let me show you that how it is open source. Like we will first go on Python. Okay, this is the website of Python. See, from here you can install Python on all. It is open source for, and see this. The web Python can be used for web development, Django, Pyramid, Wattle, Tornado, Flask, and all fast API. UI development, we have PY Go Object, PyQt, PySite, Kiwi, VX Python, Deer, PyGUI. Machine learning, we have PyTorch, TensorFlow, all. Software development, we have Roundup, all this. System administration, we have Salt, OpenStack, and all. So this is the website from where you can download all the sources and all. So I will say thanks for watching our channel. This is a very short video, as I will cover in, like, I will take 5 to 10 minutes video only and upload it, not more than that, because if it is short, uh, you will get time to learn it, understand and do the codings. Okay, so thanks for watching our channel. That's all for today.
Oh, oh. How do you make a life without getting by? All of the stars align.
Please subscribe my
Ain't all the
channel and
planets
follow
and
us on
people
Instagram
alike,
and
and they're
Facebook.
all right here.